keen and just start. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, here we go. You can have a look then at what your cards are. Ito, you can see and read what they have. And dito kapag sa adventure mode, medyo wala naman yung kalaban attack lang ng attack. So, ako yung priority ko, umattack din kasi gusto ko mapatay sila agad. Pero protektahan mo rin yung iyong plant because you know they will attack. Wala nang they will always attack. And here, ito yung mga cards mo, di ba? As I said a while ago, yung each Axie, meron silang mga ability, di ba? So, kung ano yung ability nila, yun yung mabibigay din sa'yo. Pero hindi lahat. Depende lang kung ano, random yan kung ano bibigay nila sa'yo. So, kunwari ngayon, dito sa reptile ko, isa lang yung binigay sa akin. For my plant, dalawa. Tapos, bawat isang, may one dyan na nakalagay. Ibig sabihin yun yung energy na makakonsume niya kapag ginamit mo. So, for example, ito, meron akong apat na energy. I can only play 4 cards. So, 1, 1, 1. Yan yung ipang-a-attack ko. Ako yung mauuna. Yan yung order pala of attacking. And then, I will protect my plant kasi importante. This one consumes 0 energy, so I can just play that. That's yun. If I click on end turn, yun na. Start attacking na kami. So, let's do that para masimulan na ang laban. Yes! Oh my God. Isang tirahan lang. Oh my God. I'm so strong. Yes! Pero nag-heal siya. Nakakainis, diba? Nag-heal siya. Okay, fine. Pero protect my plant pa din. Priority. And then try to kill this one now. Let's kill this enemy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I've killed 2. Oh, I missed that. Kasi merong parang stun dun eh. Or confused. Yeah, that one. Confused. If you have that on top, yung first attack mo magmi-miss. Just annoying. But what can we do? What can we do? We just have to fight it out. Oh, see, it missed. But the second one will go through. Thank you. But he's gonna attack me again, and he's gonna heal himself. Oh, he didn't. But, okay. Next. I think mapapatay ko na siya ng 2 attack lang. Ganun lang siya kadali, I swear. Attack ka lang ng attack. At saka hindi naubos yung energy mo. Dito sa adventure mode pala, every round, you nagre-reset ng 3, nagbibigay ulit ng 3 energy. So, tinan mo. First round 4, tas 3, 3, 3. Pagka arena, mas konti, mas tipid. Bibigay lang nila sa'yo, 2 energies at a time. Pero dito sa, sa adventure, attack lang ako ng attack. I don't really have to think about it. I just need to just do it. Attack lang tayo ng attack. Siya rin. Ooh, that's massive. Okay, puti na lang. I protected my plant. More protection, please. See kung may mapapatay na tayo. I don't know. Hopefully, we can kill something. Okay, we're killing that. Great. So currently pala, since my plant exists, is still alive, all the damage that lahat ng attack nila, yung plant ko lang yung mag-absorb. Unfortunately. Pero ganun talaga. Gusto mo yun kasi siya naman yung may pinakamalaking HP plus most of his cards. Yung mga cards niya, malakas din yung defense. So maganda siya. Maganda talaga siya sa harap. Yung beast ko nasa likod, hanggat hindi namamatay itong 2, hindi nila ma-attack yung beast. So that's good kasi nga mahina din yung HP siya. Mabilis lang siya mamatay Pero malakas siya in terms of attack. So right now my priority again, as I said, is just to protect and attack as much as you can. I don't really think much about it. Just try to just demolish them. Ooh, done. Hopefully mapatay ko na rin to. Yay! Papatay na rin natin siya. Ah, wala masyado cards. Sana mapatay na. Let's see. Ah, tapos na. Done! Yay! Victory! That's so good. Honestly, adventure modes are so easy. You really don't have to think. It's a matter of just clicking. Click lang ako ng click. Hindi ako masyadong nag-isip. So, because of that, because I won that, I gained 434 EXP. So, pag napuno na yan, magle-level 22 na ako. So, ganun lang siya. The higher the level, the stronger the Axies in adventure mode. So when in adventure mode, you're getting stronger, but it doesn't affect your arena mode. Arena mode, lagi lang kayo lahat level 1. Walang ano yun. And nanalo ko ng 11 love potion. That is so good. I love it. I love the love potion. And that is it for the adventure mode. I now have 24 out of 100. I can just play a couple more games. Couple more games na lang. And then, matatapos ko na yung daily grind. Well, actually, hindi pa. Not even 1/4. But I have to still do my daily grind. I just started. So, right. So, ngayon, thank you for watching the adventure mode.